Virtual reality technology can really help the client in so many different ways. It can really help the client visualize their project in a real-world scale, which typically can only be delivered using drawings, whether it's floor plans or elevations, perspectives, or renderings. So what is the process to produce these VR deliverables? The process really starts with the modeling of the project using the typical design process. And after the project is actually being brought to a certain level of completeness, this is when we bring it into a VR software. And then this is when the fun begins. This is where we have the VR model being brought with the help of the VR headset, and to really transport the client into the spaces of their building and really help them experience the building inside and out. There are many positive impacts that the VR technology can bring to the client. The biggest one, in my opinion, is that ability for the client to really experience their space and buildings while we are still in the design process. So that design changes can be made while we are still designing, so that we can make any changes as needed prior to finalizing the design and construction. And this in return will really reduce the amount of changes and change orders that can happen usually in the later stages of the project. Another benefit is that this technology can be used as a tool to engage the public, the stakeholders, and any other parties that are important to the project, so that we can provide them with some kind of physical experience to really engage them, to show what the client is really trying to build.